believe the sound has been coming from the left side, and it's on mornings where it's damp. So I wonder if maybe it's the belt or the belt tensioner, something like that. Oh no, 2001 Corolla.